Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to delete stubborn apps on Android. Some Android apps resist deletion because they have extra permissions. These are often system apps or apps with admin access. You can still remove most of them by disabling those permissions first. To begin, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Tap Apps or Apps and Notifications. Choose See All Apps, then find and tap the app you want to delete. Tap Force Stop to stop it from running. Then tap Uninstall. If uninstall is unavailable, go back to Settings. Tap Security or Privacy. Go to More, tap Advanced Options, then choose Device Admin Apps or Device Administrators. Find the app in the list, then tap it and choose Deactivate. Tap the app again to return to the app's info screen. Then tap Uninstall. Restart your phone to ensure it's fully removed. Tip: if the app still won't uninstall, boot into safe mode and repeat the steps to prevent it from blocking removal. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.